Welcome to Professor Dr. Grace's graphic class. Please watch the ad until the end so you can receive better content. In this tutorial, I will show you how to work with the Type on a Path tool. After selecting the Type on a Path tool, click a closed path or an open path to type text along the path. When you select text typed using the Type on a Path tool, icons for the start point, midpoint, and end point are displayed. Move your mouse over each point icon to display the point control icons you see now. Move the start point icon left or right to move the text forward or backward. Move the midpoint icon back and forth to move the text forward or backward. Drag down to flip the letter down or drag up to move it up. Move the endpoint icon to the left or right to move forward or backward through the letters. And if it is shorter than the length of the text, a red plus icon appears to indicate text overflow. If you see the red plus, move the endpoint icon so that it is spaced from the end of the text. You will see the red plus icon disappears. Now, let's see how to use the Type on a Path tool with some references. First, let's create text that flows along an open wave path. Select the line segment tool, then hold down Shift to draw a horizontal line. With the line selected, select the Effect, Distort and Transform, Zigzag menu. In the Zigzag dialog box, check Preview and select Point Smooth. In Options, select Relative to change the unit to %, and then type Size 4%. Type Ridges per segment 2, and click OK. I have applied effect to the horizontal line. The horizontal shape of the selected line is still active, although the visible result is a waveform. As you see now, the horizontal and wave shapes are inconsistent with each other. If you type letters with the Type on a Path tool on the line where effect is active, the texts will not be typed along the wave, but along the horizontal line before effect is applied. To solve this problem, select the horizontal line converted to wave shape and select the Object, Expand Appearance menu. The horizontal line disappears and you see only the wave shape, and the shape of the selection matches the shape of the path. Select the Type on a Path tool, and then click the wave line. Type the word you want. Highlight the word you just typed and press Ctrl+Shift greater than to increase the text size. In the Control panel, select the Font Area and the Font Style Bold. Select the text with the Selection tool, and then move the mouse over the starting point icon to display the starting point control icon. Then drag left or right to change the starting point. Move the mouse over the midpoint icon to display the midpoint control icon, and drag left or right to reposition the text. This time, drag the midpoint icon down to flip the text. Again, drag the midpoint icon up to move the text up. Move the mouse over the endpoint icon to display the endpoint control icon. Then drag left or right to change the endpoint. If the endpoint is shorter than the text length, you will see a red plus box. Again, drag the endpoint icon longer than the length of the text to remove the red plus over text icon. Select the Direct Selection tool and adjust the anchor point of the wave path on which the words are typed. The letters follow again according to the shape of the changed path. This time, let's create text that flows along a closed path object. Select the Diagonal Path tool, then highlight the entire text. Press Ctrl X to cut and copy. Hold down Ctrl, select the empty text box, and press Delete to delete. Click on the big red heart and press Ctrl V to paste the text. Hold down Ctrl and click on the artboard to release the selection. You see the text typed along the closed path. Now, let's create a rounded logo using the Diagonal Path tool. Click the Fill Color icon and select light blue in the swatches panel. Select the Ellipse tool and click the artboard. In the Ellipse dialog box, type width 17 cm and the height 17 cm, then click OK. Select the circle you just created. Select Align to Artboard in the Control panel, and then click Horizontal Align Center and Vertical Align Center to align the center of the artboard. After selecting the circle, press Ctrl C to copy, then press Ctrl F to paste in front. Double-click the Scale tool. In the Scale dialog box, type Uniform 57%, uncheck Scale Strokes and Effects, and click OK. Select any color in the swatches panel. Press V to select the selection tool, and then select the two circles together. Right-click and select Make a Compound Path to make the overlapping parts empty. Press Ctrl F to paste the circle in front. Press Shift X to switch the fill color with the stroke color. Click the stroke color icon and select 50% gray in the swatches panel. In the stroke panel, select weight 5 point. Hold down Alt Shift and drag the bounding box corner to make it a bit larger. Press Ctrl C to copy, then press Ctrl F to paste in front. Hold down Alt Shift and drag the bounding box corner to make it smaller. Paste in front by pressing Ctrl F again to make the first circle for the letters. Hold down Alt Shift and drag the bounding box corner to reduce its size. Paste in front by pressing Ctrl F again to create a second circle for the letters. Hold down Alt Shift and drag the bounding box corner to reduce its size. Select the Diagonal Path tool and highlight the text Michael Bike Shop. Press Ctrl X to cut and copy. Hold down Ctrl, select an empty text path and press Delete to delete it. Click on the small circle and press Ctrl V to paste it. Press Ctrl R to bring up the ruler. Then drag from the top ruler to the artboard to add a guide. Press V to select the selection tool, and then adjust the start point icon of the text path to balance the left or right of the text. Select the Diagonal Path tool and highlight the text since 2019. Press Ctrl X to cut and copy. Hold down Ctrl, select an empty text path, and press Delete to delete it. Click on the large circle and press Ctrl V to paste it. select the selection tool, and then drag the midpoint icon on the text path to flip the letters. Hold down Alt-Shift and drag the bounding box corner to resize the circle. Add a guide by dragging from the top ruler to the artboard. Drag the midpoint icon left or right to balance the text. Select the ellipse tool. Hold down Alt-Shift and draw a small circle. Hold down Alt-Shift and drag the small circle to the right to copy. Press Ctrl-R to hide the ruler. As you've seen, using the Type on a Path tool is efficient because you can type characters that flow along open or closed paths. In particular, the Type on a Path tool is very useful when creating a rounded logo. I hope this tutorial has helped you for your study. Alright, that's all about the Type on a Path tool. Thank you for watching Professor Dr. Grace's Illustrator lecture. Please watch the next video in order to follow all the courses without skipping a lesson. To keep learning and master Illustrator, please press the subscribe and the like buttons.